everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm gonna do a PR haul. So many amazing companies have sent me some fabulous products, so I want to do an unboxing and talk about all of the amazing items that are in the boxes. Let's talk about what's hot, what's next, what's new, what's nice. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'm just gonna start grabbing. I got my handy dandy scissors here. I used to have a box cutter. I don't know where my box cutter is, but I'm gonna find it. But my scissors, they're gonna let me do the job. Let's start off with this big old box from FabFitFun, who are also today's sponsors. Thank you, FabFitFun, for collaborating with me. So if you all have never heard of FabFitFun, let me introduce you. They are a subscription service that gives you the best of all the worlds. So you have fashion, you have beauty, you have lifestyle, you have fitness, and they combine all of that into boxes that you curate. So you go through the products, you pick what's best for you, and then you get a few surprises in each box. And then you can do some add-ons like adding in favorite items and all of that good stuff. And they also have a separate section on their website where you can shop goodies for up to 70% off. And boom, here's our box. So on the front it says FabFitFun, and it has a nice little beach aesthetic going. For their boxes, you can pay annually up front for all four, and it's $45 each. Or if you want to buy them seasonally, it'll be $49.99 per box. So either way, it's a great deal. The first thing that I see in this box is Liquid IV. It is a hydration multiplier, and I've heard so many great things about this from Glam Girl Kelsee. She swears by this because if you sprinkle this in your water, it's supposed to increase the amount of hydration that you get from drinking that amount of water alone. If you put one of these in a bottle of water, it's supposed to multiply it like you're drinking 3 bottles of water. So it's a great time saver if you don't have time or the energy to be drinking a whole bunch of water every single day, because it makes you, run back and forth to the bathroom. This will be great because it helps you be more hydrated. So I've been wanting to try this. Awesome. Ooh, a product in here from Erna Laszlo. And this is one of those iconic brands that have been around for forever. I remember when I was doing some research about their brand a few years ago, they had deep ties into Marilyn Monroe's beauty routine. And they actually gave her a prescription of what she needed to do step by step for her skincare. So I really think this brand is cool. And I think it's cool that it has so much history attached to it. So this is their Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I'm excited to try this. I've liked all of my products that I've tried from them before. And then we have, Ouai. I love Ouai. This is a scalp massager. Let me open this up, honey. Yes, I love this. I actually have a scalp massager that I use every single time when I wash my hair. I just think that gives you such a nice spa experience. Whenever you're washing your hair, you're going in circles and you're just really invigorating the scalp. And it takes washing your hair to the next level. It gives you that salon quality feel, even if you're not going to the salon. So this type tool is a game changer, and I love Ouai. Next, I have the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. This has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. And I really like cleansers like this for when my skin is broken out, because I'm a type person that gets breakouts around a certain time of the month, and my skin really reacts well to salicylic acid as well as tea tree oil to help combat some acne. So I'm really excited to try this. Plus, I like the brand Dr. Brandt. Ooh, another Ouai product. I got some detox shampoo. Y'all, you need some detox shampoo to get rid of buildup in your hair and on your scalp. This is such an underrated step that not a lot of people do, because if you see your hair being lifeless, dull, it has no body, that means you have too much product in it. Even after you wash your hair, you still can have products build up. So a good detox shampoo clarifies and truly cleanses the hair without stripping it. And I love Ouai, so I already know this is going to be fire. Y'all, I have wanted this for such a long time. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So this has Sonic Glow technology, the beauty of silicone, so you're not putting, dirty towels and bacteria and stuff on your face. And also it's customizable for all skin types. There's an anti-aging facial massage, and it's cordless, so you can get your clean on without having to be tied next to an outlet, which is really important. And I love this color. It's like a cross between blue and green. I can use this in the shower because it's waterproof. I'm going to be using this today. This is by a brand called Skin & Co. I've never heard of this brand, but this is called their Whipped cleansing cream. It's made in Italy. It has truffle extract. I know that truffle is fancy because I get truffle fries and I know they cost a little bit more than regular fries do. But this is an effective cleanser and makeup remover that is highly concentrated with antioxidants and skin soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. I'm so excited to try all of these things. Ooh, African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. Ooh, I need to open this up right now. You're wearing a little bit of skin out for the summertime. Ooh, put you some shimmering body oil on. And this is a little bit thicker and I like that. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like shea butter. Shea and cocoa butter mixed together. It has the consistency of right there in between baby oil and the baby oil gel. So it's not really runny. Last but not least, something I needed a new one of for this year. This one is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. And I swear by this. This is one of those sunscreens that I know works for my skin type. It does not cause breakouts. I've bought this so many times. So I really like this and I'm glad to have another one. Y'all, this box is great. This is an amazing value to get all of these things for $49.99 or $45 depending on which plan you choose to get. Because the sunscreen alone is like 30 bucks. Plus I got this, you know, and then everything else is just an added bonus. So I'm so excited to try everything that came into the box. So I will have a link to FabFitFun's website down below. Once again, thank you so much for working with me in today's video. So next, let's move on to an open box that I have. This box right here. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, this is all skincare from April Skin. So this one is their Candula Resurfacing Serum. This is a vegan formula. It has PHA and AHA 10%. This exfoliates the skin to reveal a healthy glow with low irritation. It's also combined with hyaluronic acid and skin calming Candula flower extracts. This is their collagen peptide plumping serum. Ooh, I love stuff like this. This is their Real Keratin Blemish Clear Vita Pads. Acne clearing pads. You're speaking my language because my skin can get a little fussy. And so when I have things like this that can just go right over it, it knocks it out. I have their gel cream, my favorite type consistency for the warmer months. Ooh, Keratin Clarifying Foam Cleanser. Y'all, I love foam cleansers. That is something that I used to love, especially growing up as a child. That was really the only way I like to wash my face with cleanser. It has to be foamy. And then they sent over their Real Cleaning Pore Brush. Ooh, yes, get that right on in the nose and get it cleaned. And then on the other side, it has like this little silicone side. I'm excited to use this skincare. This is vegan skincare. There's so many amazing products here with awesome ingredients. Thank you so much, April Skin, for sending this over. Next is a box from Base Blue Cosmetics. It says The Wonder Begins. Did you all used to watch The Wonder Years? Or was that just me? This is the IVF collection. Because infertility affects 1 in 8 families in the U.S., today, Blue Base Cosmetics is introducing its newest line, the IVF collection. The lipstick looks like a little angel. It says that this consists of 4 long-lasting lipsticks that are individually named to inspire and encourage those living with infertility and going through the process of IVF. And they sent me number 2, Unbreakable. Oh, that's really sweet. That's not really something that's talked about a lot, especially in the beauty industry, but it definitely affects a lot of families. Thank you so much, Base Blue Cosmetics. Y'all, I got a big old box from Kapari. That image is a little cheeky. Oh, nice. It came with the wraparound towel and it's embroidered on here, love your bod. Kapari, that's so cute. Y'all, I love bar soap. This is their Super Suds soap bar. It says cleanse and hydrate with superfoods. Oh, this smells good. I'm going to use this today. I feel like you get the cleanest with bar soap. Get your washcloth. Go to town with your bar soap. I feel like that's just the best way to clean your body. They also sent over their Coconut Crush Scrub. I gotta smell this immediately. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. You need to be exfoliating your body. If you're not, you need to, because you need to slough out the dead skin and just reveal your smoothest skin, and I love Kapari products. The Coconut Crush is going to be perfect for summertime finest. And then they sent over their new products, the Pink Souffle Body Mask. Now that's a new concept, right? Because we're all used to masking on our face, but it's like our body extends past the neck. Like we need to put masks on our body too. So this one detoxifies, clarifies, and brightens. So it's really important to pay attention to all the skin on our body and mask all of our skin and moisturize and scrub and all the good stuff that we do to our face. Do it to the rest of our skin. The rest of our skin deserves that TLC too. And it smells good. It has a really nice consistency. I accidentally dipped my finger in there. It feels really nice. Ooh, I cannot wait to put a mask on my body. Do you hear me? I'm going to be scrubbing and then masking, and then I'm going to be glowing. Okay, this is from Silk. So this is their 100% silk face mask. It's a washable and reusable non-medical mask, and I picked out the black one. This is what it comes in. It feels lightweight, which is good, so it'll be breathable. And then it has adjustable straps here, so it just goes behind your ear. And then it has an adjustable bridge, so you can kind of feel the metal insert here. You put it on, and it protects you. So this mask is made with 100% mulberry silk, and it has a filter pocket. So it helps protect you and others. So I'm loving that. I've talked to you all a few times about how hard I advocate for silk pillowcases. So this one is theirs. It comes in this box. It's 100% silk, and let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, I got the gray one to match my bed set right now. And it feels so nice and silky. The benefit to using silk pillowcases is that it helps reduce the chances of you getting wrinkles. It helps you to retain moisture in your skin. And if you're a person who doesn't like to tie up your hair at night, it helps your hair not get as dry and not to create split ends. I go hard for silk pillowcases. Thank you so much, Silk, for sending this over. This color is to die. Cannot wait to use it. I'm going to be using this mask right here today. For sure. Little PR package from Pop Beauty. Ooh, purple. This one is their Lit AF Essence, Skin Perfecting Essence. It says that it is a botanical gel essence. It's infused with their proprietary recovery complex to quickly replenish. It's energizing, hydrating, and rejuvenating. I had to laser focus to read that. I'm like, what? I got this package from Versed. It says, let's stay in tonight. We are so excited to introduce you to Versed, our non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan skincare brand. We can't wait to hear what you think and hope you find some new skincare favorites. That's from the Versed team. Look at that. Versed. This is the Game Over Acne Drying Treatment. It dries and clears acne blemishes, acne pimples, blackheads, and allows skin to heal. Always need something like that. This one is their Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. It has green tea extract plus aloe leaf juice. Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. Also, there's the Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. This has eucalyptus oil plus vitamin E. And we have some lip oil. This one is the Silk Slip Conditioning Lip Oil. This has jojoba oil plus vitamin E. This brand is so on point with their aesthetics. This looks like Instagram. Thank you so much, Versed, for sending this over. Next, we have a package from What's Up Nails. Oh, wow. These are brushes. Okay, whoa. And this one is a blend of goat and synthetic hair. Ooh, I love little bitty brushes like this. I see you with the fuchsia handle. Y'all, they are winning me over. I love a flat shader, and this one is real flat. Perfect. That's all I need to do an entire eye look. That one feels really nice. That one is strictly goat hair. Desert Monsoon palette. This one right here is calling my name alongside that one. These look good. This is giving me life right now. Give me some of their nail polish. Okay. It's almost mauve, but it's more purple. Ooh, Joshua Tree. I'm going to paint my nails this today. I love this color. Ooh, this one is Sun. This one is really pretty too. I couldn't withstand not swatching for one more second. Yo, this color is gorgeous. Plus, I love the brush. It has that flat paddle-like brush that I love so much. I have a wide nail bed, so I need something that's going to cover a lot of ground expeditiously. Thank you so much for sending over such an amazing package. I'm so excited to use this stuff. Next, I have a little package from my dear friend's brand, Lisa J, BK Beauty. And they asked if there was anything that I wanted to have. I already have the entire line of her brushes and her sponge, but I wanted a little refresher. So I was like, yes. So they sent over another sponge, which y'all, this is my favorite sponge in the entire world. It is the perfect texture. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. It blends out my makeup perfectly, and it has a really nice squish to it, and it doesn't absorb too much of my products. If you all have not tried out BK Beauty sponges, stop using whatever sponge you're using. Go get this sponge. It's the best one. I promise. It's the best one. And then I got another brush of one of the brushes that I just use and abuse to death. This one is her iconic 101 brush. If you all like foundation brushes, you need this 101 brush because it changes the game. It's angled, it's compact, it lets you buff on that product and pounce it on, and it just blends it out like butter. Love this brush, love that sponge, love Lisa, love BK Beauty. They are a great company inside and out, and I 100% support them for forever. Love them. I have some new Pixie goodies. Ooh, look at this. It says On The Glow Blush. They are another brand that's so cute in their packaging. So it says On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. And this is what the actual product looks like. It looks like a popsicle. So there's 3 colors in here. There's Juicy, Fleur, and Ruby. It says give a dash of color for a healthy glow for a look that's soft and sweet wherever you go. Look at that. I cannot wait to use these, especially this one right here. But I bet you this one will look really good underneath my makeup. It'll give it like that really natural flushed look. How can you not be cute if your name is Pixie? You have to come with the cuteness. And they are maximum level cute. So last but not least, this is my last box. It's from Chantecaille. Ooh, Chantecaille has the cutest bags. Look at this bag. I love this color. Ooh, I got another cheek shade. So I'm collecting them until I get all of them. So this one is Bliss. Here's Bliss. And it has the butterfly embossed on here. I think it's so pretty. This color is going to be a little bit too light for me to wear by itself, but I could definitely mix it. And I have a mermaid eye color. Starfish. That's pretty. It's a lot more metallic than it looks in the pan. That's so pretty. I have a lip tint hydrating balm. This one is in Beach Rose. I love this color. This one is the Full Brow Perfecting Gel. Yes, I needed a new one of these. I love this. I love clear brow gel for days when I just want to throw it on and go. This one is really, really nice. I requested a brilliant lip gloss. This one is in the shade Modern, and I actually want to put it on right now. Let's go Modern. Ooh, it's got a brush. It has a nice high shine, and I love when lip glosses have a brush. That's my favorite. And lastly in this box, I requested another shade of the Cushion Foundation in Wheat because the shade Agave matches me really well, but it's just a hair dark. I can make it work, but Angela, who works for Chantecaille, she said that she thinks Wheat would be a closer match for me, so I asked if they would send it to me. They're like, sure. Thank you so much, Chantecaille. I really appreciate you sending over this box of goodies. Thank you so much to all of these brands who have sent me these amazing products. I cannot wait to dive into them and play and take pictures and use them. I'm gonna have a good old time using all of my body care products today, all of my skincare products, and all this new makeup. And I want to say thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I love my box. I think it's an amazing box. So I will have a link to their website down below. You guys can go check them out. Thank you again. So let me know if you all are interested in me doing videos on any of the products that you all saw in this video. I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.